I bought a new car.
This is a Subaru 2007 Impreza 25i on coilovers that you can't see. Slotted rotors that you also can't see. There they are. In all black. With the window tint, of course. Definitely illegal in this state. And a very nice magna flow exhaust system. The whole thing. Oh yeah. She sounds pretty. Now the asking price on this thing was $1,500. But we managed to talk it all the way down to $9. And we got some more things. We also have some brand new, freshly machined heads to pop on it.
I mean, let's be honest. It's a Subaru. It's a 25i. It's in the correct year. It's got over 130,000 miles on it, so those gaskets probably need replacing. And if we're going to replace the head gaskets, why not replace the heads too? Okay, well, enough talk. We're just going to get right to it and start with getting rid of a lot of the junk that's in this thing, because it's got a lot. Ugh. Old man knees. Ugh. Also, the sound system sucks.
Really wasn't all that much stuff. So, you know, just some seat covers, a couple of cables, a mop for some reason. I think that's what he used. What the previous owner was saying on pickups. I think that's what the previous owner was using to get to the roof. Maybe, I don't know. Does need a clean though. Might do that too.
I ain't got a hose. I got a bucket. I barely even have a bucket. Oh, good enough.
All right. It's amazing what just a splash of water does. But this car looks 10 times better than it just did. Like, jeez. What knocking the dust off will do. Woo! Alright, that's probably going to be it for this one. In the next one, we'll get into something a little bit more serious, probably. Or it could be more cleanup. I don't know. But we'll figure it out as we go. Alright.